Hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithani and welcome to our channel Mr. Lazy Tech, and this video is all about this. This is the Huami Amazfit T-Rex smartwatch and its price approximately 10,000 rupees. So I'll do the unboxing of this smartwatch and let's see what will we get inside the box, give you the basic overview, and let's see whether this smartwatch is best under 10,000 rupees or not. So hope you like this one, and if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so we can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. So this is the box of the Huami Amazfit T-Rex smartwatch you will be getting once the product is reached to you. So now let us just quickly unbox this thing and let's see what all we get inside this white box. So inside the box they have given one more box as well, and on the top you will be getting the smartwatch itself, and let us just see what all we get apart from this one. So first of all, you will be getting a user manual, a big user manual they have given. If possible, you can just go through it once. And you will be getting a USB to magnetic charging cable to charge your smartwatch. You can just charge it using this one. And now coming to the main smartwatch itself, this is the Huami Amazfit T-Rex smartwatch, and they have given the sticker on the top itself. So let us just remove the sticker. So over here they have given a very premium finish and good quality of material, I must say. It looks very premium and it is very lightweight as well considering the price range. And now let us just have a look at the strap, and the strap over here is also very premium और अच्छी quality का material use किया है. They have given a good quality of rubber material over here, so you can say it is very durable. And overall they have given a very lightweight and premium quality of product considering the price range, and a durable product I must say at this price they have given. And they have given these multi-function button. You can access all the functions through these buttons, and it is asking to scan your smartwatch. You can just simply install the Amazfit application on your phone, and it is easily connected with your smartphone, and then you can access all the functions of the smartwatch through the phone itself. You can just track all the activities. So over here you can see they have mentioned a lot of features on the application itself, and it is very user-friendly application. You can just set alarm, change the watch faces, and you can just see all the notifications of your phone on the smartwatch just by connecting with this app. And for example, if you want to change the watch faces, and they have given 30 watch faces, very attractive watch faces they have given with this one, so you can just set your watch face according to your preference. And now coming to the smartwatch itself, they have given a very bright screen over here, and the touch controls are very smooth. You can just access your smartwatch with very ease. जो touch controls है बहुत ही easily accessible हैं. There is no issue regarding that. And just by pressing it long, you can just change your watch faces through the smartwatch itself apart from the application. And just by going to the select button, you can access all the workout activities like outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor cycling, pool and all. So they have given multiple sports modes over here. You can just do the sport activities according to your convenience. And the brightness of this smartwatch is very good. मैं ये direct sunlight में देख रहा हूँ अभी, brightness को लेके कोई issue नहीं है. I am able to access all the features of the smartwatch with very ease in the direct sunlight. That is a plus point. And now coming to the specifications part, you will be getting 1.3 inches of AMOLED display with this one, and it comes with 12 military grade certifications for harsh environment, and it comes with built-in GPS as well, and it will provide you up to 20 days of battery backup on a single charge with minimum settings, and it is compatible with Android and iOS both. And you will be getting 14 different sports modes, and it comes with heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring and activity tracking as well, and it is 5 ATM certified with waterproof up to 50 meter of depth. So as we can see here, they have given lot of features with this particular smartwatch. Lot of means lot of features. बहुत सारे tracking activities के modes दिए गए हैं, monitoring sensors दिए गए हैं. You can access through the watch itself. And सामने वाला आपको देख के clearly बोल सकता है that you are wearing something premium in your hands. बहुत ही premium लगती है. Design बहुत ही अच्छा दिया गया है और बहुत ही lightweight है. ऐसा नहीं है कि दिखने में भले sturdy लगती है, काफी heavy लगती है, but they have given a very lightweight material. That is a plus point. And as I told you, using the Amazfit app, you can access all the tracking activities of the smartwatch through the app itself. और बहुत ही easily आप जितनी भी watch faces है उससे भी आप चेंज कर सकते हैं ऐप के थ्रू, और जितनी भी ट्रैकिंग एक्टिविटीज है फॉर योर वर्कआउट यू कैन एक्सेस डायरेक्टली थ्रू द ऐप, और बहुत ही इजी एक्सेसिबल ऐप, कोई इशू नहीं आता. दैट इज अ गुड थिंग. एंड दीज आर द 4 कलर्स इन विच दिस स्मार्ट वॉच कम्स विद. सो आप अपने कलर प्रेफरेंस के अकॉर्डिंगली इसको चूज कर सकते हैं. And if you want a premium smartwatch, आपका price range approximately 10,000 rupees, you can definitely grab this one with a good battery life, with a good and premium design, with GPS inbuilt and a lot of features, workouts related features and the smart features as well. You can definitely grab this one. There is no issue regarding that. I am also leaving the link in the description part below. You can click from there and buy from there as well. And if you have any question regarding the smartwatch, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out with that. So this was all about the unboxing and reviews of the Huami Amazfit T-Rex smartwatch. Hope you like this one, and as I told you, if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so we can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one and see you in the next video. Thank you.